Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Apex Legends fix, connection to server timed out and unable to connect to EA servers. Type control panel in Windows search bar. Click control panel. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Internet Ethernet. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Click Use the following DNS addresses. File value to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Click OK, close. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net sh space int space IP space reset. Type net sh space winsock space reset. Type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Type exit to exit from command prompt. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.